Hey guys, this is Jen from the team department, and today I'm going to show you how I made this Patriotic diamond painting magnet. So this is what my design here looks like. This is the one I did. He's got a cute little patriotic panda. But what I've got here is in this box, which you can get this diamond painting kit from Amazon or any craft store, but it comes in this box. And it's got a bag of these little diamond painting beads. It's got a lot of different designs, so you can choose from like a patriotic bird, or a patriotic corgi, and patriotic lion. Yeah, but it's got a whole bunch of different animal designs that you can choose from. And then it also comes with this little toolkit here. So I'm going to go ahead and just pull it out and show you what these would do. So this comes with this little, it's kind of like a tray. It's where you put all the diamond beads in this tray. And you use this little tool here to kind of pick up those beads and you place them on the little design here. And this little thing here is wax. So I'll kind of demonstrate how that would work. But let's say we were doing this corgi, and on this little design here, I know it's kind of small, but it comes in these numbers and kind of letters. And they each correspond with these beads here. So whenever you get these beads, it'll have like a number listed on there. So this one here, I know it's kind of hard to read, but it says 07. So just look for like a little design here that has a number like 07. And then you just kind of add the little beads to these numbers. That makes any sense. So you just kind of, I'll go ahead and demonstrate. So I'm going to kind of dump these little beads in this tray. And then you kind of shake them up a little bit so that way it can make it easier to put the bead on the little design. And then you want to put your little tool pen in this wax, like that. And once you've done that, you place it on the bead, just like that. And then you take it over here, and you see the red corresponds with the number 7, so just kind of add that on there. And that's when it will stick. It'll stick on there, and you just kind of go through each and every color design that you see, and then that's how you end up making this little cute little design just like this. And that's all there is to it. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!